Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. Disclaimer for this podcast or presentation is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from SIM, NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. It's very important to understand Nifty's price volume action to gauge the market. Uh, First and foremost step is to read into daily chart and then track moving averages, how the Nifty is placed in the current market, and is it above moving averages or below moving averages. That gives a short-term view of how the market is going to be in the next couple of weeks. So, if you look at the Nifty's daily chart now, here you can see Nifty for the last 1 month or more, it has been in a very good momentum. The trajectory is on the higher side, and there has been a couple of sellings happened in between. But overall, if you look at for the last 30 trading sessions, the view is on the positive side. Uh, and also it has reclaimed its key moving averages. You can see here, Nifty is currently trading above its major key moving averages, starting with short-term moving average 21 DMA and 50, 200, 100, everything, all these moving averages are below current market price. Again, a positive side. And if you look at on the price volume front, you can see on price action wise, yesterday's session was very good. It opened on the higher side, and as the session progressed, it found good buying interest from the investors, and it closed near the day's high. But on the volume front, if you look at volume has stayed below average for the last four trading sessions. That is not a positive sign. When the Nifty is advancing higher, we would like to see higher volume. And if the Nifty is falling or declining, we would like to see lower volumes. That indicates a positive sign. But price action wise, it is looking good, but the volume is not accompanying the price move. But for the solid move to happen, we would like to see good volume happening in the Nifty. And if the broad-based buying happens, then broader market indices, mid cap and small cap will also join the rally, and overall market momentum will be on the higher side. Talking about O'Neill's perspective, we are in a rally attempt. Market status where we are looking for a follow today to change the market status to confirm the uptrend. Uh, Once market status is changed to confirm the upgrade, our conviction towards the market will be on the higher side. Probability of breakouts being successful will be on the higher side. But in a rally attempt or under pressure, the conviction will be on the lower side. Hence, we have been very cautiously looking out for stocks which are looking very solid in the current market and which are giving good buy points. And then only we are adding it to model portfolio. But when the market is in confirmed uptrend, then if you look at any stock, will be definitely will be having good price volume action, and also the overall view will also be on the positive side. Currently, results season is going on, and companies have been reporting their results. Major companies have already reported their results. Banks reported good set of numbers, but IT companies have reported declining, not so good numbers. The companies such as TCS, Infosys, major heavyweights have fallen sharply, and the market also came under little pressure. But if you take out IT stocks, then if you look at banks and other heavyweight stocks, then they are reported good set of numbers. But if the broader market also performs well, and the consumption in the rural side also picks up, then we will be definitely seeing Nifty making a new all-time high. Until then, we are expecting the market to stay sideways. Talking about the results, Mahanagar Gas has reported their results. Revenue fell 4% sequentially to 600 crores. On the other side, profit increased sharply 56% to 270 crores. On the volumes front, volumes fell 1.2% sequentially. But if you look at the overall numbers, revenue came below estimates, but profit came above estimates. Andhra Paper has reported their March earnings as well. Revenue from operations increased 38% year-on-year basis to 590 crores, whereas profits increased sharply more than 160% to 150 crores of rupees. Carborundum revenue has increased 38% to 1,200 crores of rupees, whereas profit increased more than 140% to 137 crores. Overall, Andhra Paper and Carborundum results are looking good, whereas MGL results are mixed because the revenue missed estimates, but profit came above estimates. Tata Motors delivered 10,000 units of Tata Tiago electric vehicle car. Positive news on the automobile front. Tata Motors has been doing good in the EV segment, especially, and also on the IC engines front. Also, they are doing good. Talking about institutional activity, yesterday, foreign institutional investors have bought more than 2,100 crores of Indian equities. And domestic institutional investors were also net buyers of equities. They have bought 244 crores of equities. Talking about today's results, Lupin, Apollo Tyres, JM Financial, Indraprastha Gas, Birla Corporation are some of the major companies which will be reporting their numbers. These numbers might come during the market hours or after hours. So if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, we might expect a volatile action in these stocks. So please be watchful. There are other small and micro cap companies which will also be reporting today. So please be watchful if you have stocks in your portfolio. Then any stock which is in the results category, then the volatile action might happen whether on the higher side or on the lower side. We're not very sure, but please be watchful of your positions. If you are taking cues from the global market, US market closed on the flattish territory. If you look at Dow Jones closed 0.2% lower, S&P flat, Nasdaq closed 0.2% higher. So there are no strong cues on the positive side or on the negative side from US market. Asian markets are also trading mixed. Shanghai 0.3% higher, Nikkei 0.8% higher, Kospi 0.4% lower. SGX Nifty is indicating a muted opening for the Indian market. Opening around 18,300 is expected on the Nifty front, and if the higher opening is sustained, and if the Nifty sustains 18,300 level, and follow-up buying happens during the trading session, then it is very good for the market, and our model portfolio will also perform in such a scenario. For chart of the day, we picked one of our buy watch list stock, Apollo Tyres, which is in our buy watch list. The company is coming up with their results in today, and if you look at the chart, it is looking very good. Recently, it has broken out from its stage 2B, and currently it is trading at above the ideal buy range, and on the volumes front also, it is looking very strong. This is the kind of pattern we would like to see after breaking out the stock advancing higher and also higher volumes. It's a very positive sign on the price volume except front, and the stock is trading above its key moving averages. Here you can see both the 50 and 100 DMAs have merged together, whereas it is trading above its other moving averages 21 and 200 DMA as well. Some of the ratings wise, the EPS is slightly lower. That is because September quarter results are not so good. But on the revenue front, you can see it has reported consistent growth. Technical parameters such as price strength of 87, A by D rating of A plus are very positive side on the technical front. One more key parameter, that is the number of funds invested in the stock. The company has been able to attract new funds consistently quarter-on-quarter basis. Again, a positive side. So overall, the stock is looking very good both on fundamentals trend, technical fundamentals are slightly on the lower side because it has reported not so good in the September quarter, but in the today's results of March quarter, if they come good, then definitely EPS will also increase. Technical spend stock is looking very good. So overall, it's just looking good. If you have this stock in your portfolio, you can continue to hold it, and stop loss can be kept near its 21 DMA, which is short-term moving average, and you can continue to hold it. Thanks for joining today's stream.